So information seeping through is that the American sprinters in their pre-Olympic training camp have been practicing baton exchanges ahead of the start of the Olympics. And these exchanges involve their pool of runners, including their big stars such as Sha'Carri Richardson and Gabby Thomas, both top contenders in their individual events. And without even checking the Jamaican stars, indeed, we have been having zero relay practice, and none will happen before our athletes complete their individual events. That right there is the Jamaica way. Sharika, Shelley, Tia Clayton, etc., Kishane Thompson, Oblique Civil, et al. Will not be distracted from their flat events in favor of relay practice. It will just not happen, even if it costs Jamaica an extra gold or silver medal. Athletes get paid for their performances in individual events. They don't get paid for any medal in any relay. So therefore, we cannot feel no way.